What is Schedule K-1 on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about Schedule K-1 on IRS. A Schedule K-1 is basically a tax form used in the United States to report income, deductions and credits from partnerships, S corporations, states and trusts to the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) and to the individuals who are partners, shareholders or beneficiaries. This information is included in the individual's person tax return, and here are the key points about the Schedule K-1. First is issuing entities. Partnerships, which include limited liability companies or LLCs taxed as partnerships, as corporations, states, and trusts. The components of the Schedule K-1 is income and losses. The K-1 reports the individual's share of the entity income, losses, deductions, and credits. This includes the ordinary business income, rental income, interest dividends, and other types of income. The next is its distributions. If the entity distributes cash or property to the individual, it is reported on K-1. The K-1 may also include other information related to the entity's activities such as foreign taxes paid, tax-exempt income, and other specific items. And the tax treatment includes the income, losses, and the deduction reported on the Schedule K-1, which flow through the individual's personal tax return. This means that the individual includes this information on their Form 1040 when calculating their overall tax liability. Another comes the filing deadlines. The issuing entity must provide the Schedule K-1 to the individual by tax filing deadline, which is typically April 15. However, the due date may be extended for certain entities. Talking about the personal tax return, the individual uses the information from the Schedule K-1 to complete specific sections of their personal tax return. The K-1 is typically attached to the individual's Form 1040. And the next is separating the schedules for different entities. Depending on the type of entity, like partnerships, S corporation, state, or trust, there are specific Schedule K-1 forms, such as Form 1065 for partnerships, Form 1120S for the S corporations, and others. It's crucial to note that the tax laws and forms may change, and it's advisable to consult the latest IRS publications or seek guidance from a tax professional for the most accurate and current information related to the tax year 2024. So this was all about Schedule K-1 on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.